San Remo Residence, a modern home designed by architecture firm ShubinDonaldson that's composed of 2 vertical and horizontal volumes on a stone limestone plinth, rooted into the rugged hillside of Sullivan Canyon, in Pacific Palisades, California. The home's southern edge, with vertically slatted Aframasia wood and split-face limestone, is pulled away from the property line and recessed to allow southern light to dive into the residence's entry level and the main corridors. A 5-foot-wide front door welcomes visitors to the home. The reception room with seating area and a built-in fireplace includes views of the canyon on one side, and the terraced garden with its wide limestone steps and drought-tolerant plants on the other. A home office that opens out onto a patio and has built-in shelving is also located on the entry-level opening. The entryway is home to a 3-story tall volume that includes the main stair, which accesses the garage and private bedrooms above, while a secondary staircase leads to the living spaces below. The unobstructed space includes a large living area furnished with multiple seating options. The dining area features a wooden ceiling accent and a large wooden table that complements it. Then, the kitchen, which has a large island with seating, minimalist wooden cabinets, and several integrated appliances. There's also a wine room in the hallway. Glass sliders across the entire north wall of the great room invite the outside in. The large patio includes an outdoor lounge, a dining area, a pair of daybeds, an outdoor kitchen with a barbecue, and a swimming pool. Back inside, we see the primary bedroom has an accent wall made from wood and upholstered sections. Sliding doors open the bedroom to the patio outside. In the primary bathroom, floor-to-ceiling windows provide valley views from the bathtub, while the floating dual vanities are located on either side of the room.